Mom, hurry, come and with this. I'm busy. What's the matter? They found the child money. What did you find out? But the man is a boy. He is from the Joseon dynasty. He is about 1 meter tall. He has long bleeded hair. What's that? My team checked his teeth and bones. When he died, he was about 6 years old. Only 6 years old? Yes, he lived about 320 years ago. His name was Yunho. How did you learn that? We did a DNA test. We also checked his family records. What else did you learn? Yunho was collecting clothes. The clothes belonged to his parents. The clothes show what people wore long ago. They also show something even more important.